24 hours now to go for the Holi festival, but for Uttar Pradesh it could be slightly a moment of tension as well, especially because there are going to be Friday namaz prayers. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath saying people need to stop praising foreign invaders because when truth like Sambhal is revealed, it would leave them speechless. This at a time, remember, significant security arrangements are being made ahead of both the namaz prayers and the Holi festival to ensure everything goes safe and smooth for one and all.
मैंने भगवत बाना धारण किया, ये मेरी पहचान है, हमारे सनातन की पहचान भी है, तो मुझे तो इसके गौरव की अनुभूति होती है और एक दिन पूरी दुनिया पहने के देखना।
उत्तर प्रदेश सीएम plays the Hindutva card.
देखिए संभल एक सच्चाई है और मैं बार-बार कहता हूँ।
Yogi Adityanath yet again asserts the historical significance of Sambhal, claiming it goes back over 5,000 years. Predating Islam.
देखिए मैं एक योगी हूँ, हर पंथ संप्रदाय उपासना विधि का सम्मान करता हूँ, लेकिन हम जबरन किसी पे कब्जा करके किसी की आस्था को रौंदे तो यह स्वीकार्य नहीं, ये कतई स्वीकार्य नहीं। और खासतौर पर तब संभल एक तीर्थ रहा है, 68 तीर्थ थे वहां पे, अभी हम केवल 18 निकाल पाए हैं वहां पे।
The statement from UP CM comes amid a controversy surrounding Holi, which is this year coinciding with Friday namaz and has escalated into a political showdown. Massive security arrangements have been made in Sambhal ahead of Holi celebrations. 10 mosques, including the Jama Masjid, have been covered using tarpaulin during Holi procession. The city had witnessed riots last year when authorities conducted court-ordered survey. As per the latest guidelines, the police will visit all areas deemed to be sensitive. They will also visit all locations where Holika Dahan is taking place. The police will also reach out to religious leaders of both sides to ensure peace. They will monitor areas of mixed population, procession routes and communal hotspots using CCTV cameras and drones.
सभी लोगों से अपील भी की गई है कि 2:30 बजे से पहले अपना होली खेलें और 2:30 बजे के बाद में जिन लोगों को अपनी जुम्मे की नमाज अदा करनी है वो लोग अपनी नमाज अदा करें। दोनों समुदायों के लोग शांतिपूर्वक तरीके से इस त्योहार को मनाएं, सहयोग करें पुलिस और प्रशासन का। किसी भी व्यक्ति को कानून व्यवस्था को अपने हाथ में लेने की आवश्यकता नहीं है।
I am here at the Shankar Chowk, the main market of the Sambhal, which is few meters away from the Shahi Jama Masjid, and not here. Various places which are seen sensitive by the administration, like these police personnel are deployed there with anti-riot gears. 3-layer of security has been planned in the city to control the situation, as well as the city has been divided into 6 zones and 29 sectors.
Meanwhile, the BJP in Delhi has echoed a Sambhal police official's call to Muslims to stay indoors on Holi if they feel uncomfortable.
मैं मेरे मुसलमान भाइयों से विनती करूंगा कि नमाज इस बार हमारी 1 साल के अंदर ये त्यौहार आता है, हम आपका सम्मान करते हैं, आप भी हमारे त्यौहार का सम्मान करिए। इस बार नमाज अपने घर में ही पढ़िए ताकि आपको हमसे कोई शिकायत ना हो कि ऐसा हो गया वैसा हो गया और शांति बनी रहे।
A tense Holi and Friday namaz awaits Sambhal, where a temple-mosque legal dispute is raging.
The police has formed a peace committee and they are talking with various stakeholders, organizations, masjid and mandir committees for the harmony and the peace in Sambhal. With cameraman Pradeep Gupta, Anmol Bali, Sambhal.